Greetings Babs and non-Babs, and welcome to Project Future. This is just a floor plan of a future house that's going to be eco-friendly because climate change. And there's some stuff there like systems and water that is very important. Water is collected from the sky, also known as rain, and electricity is collected from the sun. And there's also wind energy. And the house is going to be underground slightly and slightly not underground. There's going to be a bedroom, a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom, study/art room, systems room, and a water room. But the water room is not really a room, and the systems room isn't really either a room. So and there's also going to be a house wall design, because those are difficult to find out how to make eco-friendly. And it's going to be an eco-friendly house wall. It's going to be eco-friendly things here. It's going to be very eco-friendly here, so yeah. So there's going to be a house wall made of used tires with some mud and also some plywood and bottles, plastic bottles, obviously. So that's different views. So like there's plywood at the top one. There's plywood on top of the things there, so I can like block up them. Actually, I don't really think that's a good idea though. I might just not have that. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that later. That's probably a bad idea to do that, because plywood is going to be really hard to cut in that shape. So I guess I can stuff it with water bottles and say it's good. Actually, I have a better idea. Yeah, better idea. So there's the cost of the whole project. There's the cost of the land and other stuff. And so there's going to be the cost of the whole project there. And my mum just came into my room, so I had to talk to her, which sucks. So that's why you heard random noises. And so there's cost there of wood chips and other stuff. And the toilet is just like some shack, like close to the house, but not really close to the house, so it doesn't smell that bad. And so there's going to be a little plastic thing there, plastic house for the poo. And there's going to be like a toilet there and a wood chip bin. That's where the wood chips are, and the toilet opens up into a plastic container which goes into the little plasticky bit, which is basically like, so you know those like microscope things, those things that detectives have. Oh yeah, magnifying glasses, those things. So like it does the same thing basically, and it just heats up the poo and the wood chips, and then it gets turned into humanure, which is basically like some stuff I can add into compost, and then I could sell compost on eBay for profit. Do not question the fact that I'm using imperial and metric. Imperial is just easier to measure height with, because that's how most people see their height. And my fat hand is turning the page. So that's going to be... So that's the floor plan of the bedroom. You can't really see it well, but it's because it's in pencil and it's not using any imperial measurements there. There's going to be a secret room in the bedroom, which is just covered by bookshelves, which I can move back to see the secret room. There's going to be like a desk there, which I'm going to draw a digital art there. Maybe. And there's also going to be a big bed there, because bed. A bedroom needs a bed. That's the whole point of a bedroom. It says in the word. And there's going to be a study/art room there. It's going to be a table so I can hold my art stuff there. There's going to be a closet of art stuff, another small table next to an easel and a chair where I'm going to paint traditionally, and I suck at traditional art. So yeah, there's going to be a bonus traditional art thing at the end probably. I don't know if I'm not too lazy, so yeah. And there's also, and I'm turning the page to show you the bathroom. The bathroom doesn't include the toilet because the toilet is on the outside so it can heat up the poo. So there's going to be a shower, and there's going to be a shower which goes into a bathtub, and there's also going to be a little sink there, and that's basically it. There's like some measurements which aren't in imperial and they are not straight lines. And that little circle thing there at the top is just the water thing, like the cistern. I don't really know what it's called, like I just read about it in a book. So yeah, now I'm designing my own house, so yeah. And the whole point of this project is to be eco-friendly, so I can, and also like the whole point of this project is me trying to be eco-friendly when I grow up, and it's going to be in the countryside, because countryside with like some countryside has hills, and the whole plan of the thing is like it's going to be like in the woods slightly. I think that would be a good idea, so I can get called the Witch of the Woods, and if you come too close I'll steal your toes and sell them on eBay for profit. So that's basically the whole point of the project, and there's also 25 seconds left, so goodbye my guys. Goodbye little babs and non-babs. This was just a traditional art video thing. I'm evolving into my brother. Goodbye. Here's a work in progress. Somewhere here soon.